top night show. Che. We don't laugh. So please name that person where you know say you get winchy behavior on top Ministry Monday on inside night show today. We get Bumi Oni inside studio as usual. Our person we are rapping on a purple P, baby.
Yeah, go.
Yo, so when they talk toxic traits, now it make us go top down winchy behavior. Then Bumi can start say, okay, get some kind people. Hygiene be number one serious core factor. Now we can say, okay, Muna send us tweet message. That person or how they do now for but that thing I don't know how now they take stand up because my don't me my have a okay, that's my greatest undoing. It's my taste. That will be my taste in the Mount of Shiloh. Abi Shiloh get Mount. Sha, something Sha is the taste of your core fundamental being. You come back out the road. That's the English of the night. So me I bet with the talk hygiene.
Yes, so the second one be halitosis, also known as
smelling mouth.
Thank you, my sister. Thank you.
But why you say now those kind people they near you pass to talk to you? Baby, now so why?
You can now imagine. Why? If that kind of person wants to go and talk to his
I'm speaking from experience. That we are laughing. I don't know about you. I'm talking from my own personal experience. Where you go, fear, they don't born you well to even begin to answer. No, but Katima, tell you now, you say,
You don't know what's bad. Maybe as the person talk.
No, tell them, say, I tell you that.
You'll be checking the other side.
Like,
my brother.
It was like maybe the street can't drop for you. You be like,
Oh my goodness. Acid.
You be like,
Some go tell you the speed go pour for your body. You know, say, if you sit down here, they will tell you the speed. You say, hey, but the speed pour, say, hey, sorry, Jared.
Oh my goodness. But that thing is day bad. Bad breath. You can now imagine that kind of person will get bad breath to talk to supervisor. If they won't promote anybody at all.
But why they go employ them? Why they don't know say get bad breath?
They feel no know. They feel no know. If it be written test, you understand?
Oh, then they go invite them come oral.
Then you go.
Who them my line no? Good evening. Continue.
Then third one, body odor.
what was the first one?
Hygiene.
Bad hygiene.
Okay.
Those ones when they wear slippers come walk with their
Their nails
legs.
are dirty.
Come.
You go see shoes safe. They
You
dusty.
say, my brother, you know, say stress, this Lagos, I don't even get time. Who they look this thing? Nobody they look at now.
Then and they go take that tie hand, shake you. Hello.
How about the ones that will say, hi, my
Thank
sister.
you.
How are you?
Typhoid.
And number 4, sweaty armpit.
Bala.
Sweaty and
That one natural now for almost everybody.
You know, say you get
leave
some.
matter. You know, some people still get sweaty armpit inside AC.
When we say go draw pattern for the cloth like this.
Inside AC.
Yeah.
You know, see that inside AC, they still get sweaty armpit.
Then at times when they come from sun, you know, they go down sweat. So the sweat they smell.
Bah.
When they come enter AC, the thing go down spread everywhere.
Oh, yeah, from Ibadan. Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Hannah.
I'm fine, yo.
Would they hear
Hello?
you?
Hello.
I did hear you now.
I don't
We
understand.
they hear
now.
you too.
Good evening, Mao.
Talk that
evening.
thing when day you are mine.
Good day for today, oh.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. Okay, oh my God.
That's not toxic trait.
Declan on top Twitter say, for me, it's not bad, but the way you present it matters a lot. Where I work, say Anthony, I been the ginger, say, I won't go one guy. Help me set the fire, say him go. I can't come back a year later, the guy is still there. I don't understand you, Anthony. You come back and for me, I don't get it. So until you can resend your tweet. But I say, when they talk about toxic hygiene, people will know they, you know, Bad hygiene now, you know,
for
they wear
work.
better clothes, you they smell, you they sweat, you they how the thing they affect your work
Yes, sir.
for office.
Then
Now,
number
wetin
4,
we dey talk about?
dandruff.
Dandruff.
Dandruff. Yes, now.
Hey, but man,
You know, say some people, both man and woman,
but you know the quick show,
They
this
go-
kind easy now, you know, no, say,
no, if easy come here now,
Oh.
quick come out, you go see the dandruff, eh? If it dey for the back of the clothes like
they
this.
come here for
Or
office?
they don't. Some people they come here. People will get afro, they come here. Most guys will get
office.
afro. They go washroom, just comb their hair. When they come out, where mirror no dey. You go see the flake. Dandruff flake like this, as if snowflake.
Eh.
E dey for them. You know, say if they try to, dust it off,
e
it
go
go
dey-
come pour for cloth again.
Hey, child.
And there's no way you can pick up
Eh, you go-
dandruff
how you want
particles.
How you want them for back, say make it come out.
So,
So
all
all those things, they matter.
It dey matter. It dey matter for
But how
workplace.
they, as in, so how it they affect for work now?
It dey affect for work
and-
because your attitude, your presentation for work,
for work where you don't they do or for new work.
both, because for work where you don't they do, they go want promote you now. No be there you go dey forever.
Yes.
If they won't come promote, those are the kind things where they look. This person he clean.
Okay, but wait though, you know say, suppose this kind people dey, all this thing when you talk, then get them. But they sabi the work precisely.
Yes.
When we say you dey, your mouth they smell, you dey sweating body, you dey smelling
Sweating
mouth, you dey white leg, dey waka, but you go just generally be anyhow. But when it comes to the work, they go say, man, no try this man head. Oh. How a supervisor go do in that kind of case? You go manage am, abi how?
And you know if you manage because companies now competition dey.
Image and stuff.
Image matter, branding matter, and no be the building they won't come. Now the people where they work, where they carry the brand, where they carry the image, they won't come look. Nobody won't make anyhow person be in brand ambassador now. Those are the kind of things where they go look. They go rather promote person where be say, no get all these kind criteria down to you imagine if you go promote somebody where get sweaty armpit and all those kind of things. They won't say okay, make them go for one
Retreat.
external meeting. Where we say now that meeting they go say decide who they go give, which company they go give projects. You go on carry that kind of person go. Where we say if you say hello to all the people,
Hi.
hello, or PowerPoint presentation as a stand up for the suits maybe in a black, you can sit down draw for no.
But in any case, make I ask our people when they, I bet help me tweet. Person when get all this bad hygiene, smelling mouth, dandruff and
Dandruff.
everything. You go keep that one for work, and yet since I've been work, you go keep that one for work, or you go sack and employ another person or promote another person when no get all these things. Felix from Benin, hello.
Good evening.
Good
Good
evening.
evening.
How are you this evening?
See us here now.
Yeah, when did you not come today?
I take concern you in no day.
You know see us.
I don't know.
Yeah. I dey ask and I'm my guy now.
You did.
My brother no be quarrel they do day.
Okay, how are you this evening?
We said
I not really get into to talk about the matter. I want just appreciate myself. They enjoy my program. They relieve your stress on a daily basis, no matter the bad day. As soon as they watch this night show, all my
Alright.
stress will vanish.
Thank you.
Felix, thank you. Oh.
Wait, one more thing.
Eh?
That one music when I say na sing, say mo go check for with you.
okay.
You never say am
Very
there?
soon I go probe you and Nedu.
Why?
Why?
No, I go probe you now.
The music
Yes,
no
it-
sweet.
what did
I
we do?
don't download all my data. Don't finish. I don't see the music.
You know, see, my brother,
You
you're
don't
not
get
led by the
correctly.
spirit. You don't
Exactly.
spirit really.
My data don't finish. I go probe two of you now.
No,
for
you're
I
not
go there
listening to
today.
your spirit because it's all flesh and blood that can reveal it to you, my
Yes.
brother. You have to position yourself into the spirit for you to understand
No.
and recognize the download.
I
Oh yeah,
dey
bye.
download.
It's okay.
So
It's
that-
no matter for another day. Oh, hello, Chukse. How about I say, come here. Chukse, baby.
Chooks, junk fire.
Don't go. Another one be say saliva for corner of mouth.
Ay,
Oh,
Chai.
Saliva for corner of mouth.
But that one not health now. That one get to do with health.
No,
na just trade. See, person wey dey
no,
get
but you
saliva
talk
for
image
mouth.
branding. No, but you say image. All that one nah. So those kind of people supposed get personal grooming or personal
Therapy.
stylist.
Na things wey dey suppose work on. Person wey dey talk wey speed dey for corner, e go know. even if you don't know, person go don't tell them before. Say, you know, they go feel them now. Say, I know those, except they won't ignore. Exactly.
Some people feel no, no.
Because
you don't master them. You understand me? So they know what to, you know, they know what to feel them. They just they talk, they not concern down. So that thing when so like you say that thing when I tell you, say, if we do them like this, so we go, you know, that's it. You know,
when they take them, they describe the person. You don't know that our friend will say this.
Oh, really? Okay.
And you go no say saliva. They go down tell her. You go no. I know some people when they talk to you go they see like this book now. You go down wet since
Jesus movie. I don't die.
They think go that they sprinkle. All your book go down wet. All those guys. Imagine you go MD office. Come they talk.
Now you they talk. All those kind of people, you know, say they get husband and wife for house. If na woman, they get husband. One like if na man, he don't get. Maybe he get in be one of those when get forest under their armpits.
Hey,
you know.
They're supposed to shiver.
No. He go say please, my baby boo like I'm like that. He said my baby boo used to come bit for me in the morning time. Please talk the one that you know.
With a special small coat.
Please talk the one that you know. Say he get some where he tell you say they feed different pattern for me. Say from Makodi, hello. Our callers today just one greet everyone. Hello.
Hello.
Someone there.
Yes.
Anna.
I'm fine, no.
You don't chop night food.
Hello.
TV is too loud.
Yes, so good evening.
Good evening.
I'm fine, no. I'm really enjoying your show.
Thank you.
You don't cook for me that I go chop.
Bye.
He listen to himself. He answer himself.
Another one be pinching pimples. You know some people be talking to you in the office.
No. Some go even see.
Carry mirror.
Yes. You see that thing? I know. That you know say.
In the office.
In the office.
You get some people when they do that thing, be like na bad habit, na just something where they go tell you say I no fit my hand. If something dey in my face, I must to I must to scratch them.
Na bad habit.
They go forget themselves. They go used with you then. So, but me that thing when I tell so say you see what's in that man tell me, my sister. Maybe okay that man can tell me that kind of thing. I'm telling you. It don't come be normal something.
Exactly.
My sister, I know this thing because it don't.
There's some people too. It's not two-way thing. Some people they go talk say what's in the now people make I help you better. They go this is not mature. Yeah.
Then he don't right. Say leave him. He say but the blood they come say use spit. Do am he go.
It be like say the thing don't swell. No, you go down. Now toxic trait for work. Then another one be scratching.
Scratching.
Yes, now. You know some people, there's no way they'll be talking to you. So, when they talk, they say, you see, I don't even know, we say, maybe na mosquito. So, now everywhere, as in the thing done to, like,
you don't master it.
From
Kwara, good evening. Hello?
Hello.
Now, good evening.
Good evening.
Captain.
Yes.
What can you do?
In there.
Is it beside you?
Boss, hey, Jerry. Good evening, boss.
Mama B.
How you dey?
I just there. Now, what will be the purple for today?
Purple day now.
Purple day, not the Teacher's Day.
Purple day.
Purple day.
Purple day. Okay.
That's how we roll.
Yes, like egg roll and buns.
I get the thing that way. What they do, they do. For color. Let me do it. Let me see you doing it.
Second. What did you talk?
You say?
That's the way they do for first color. Let me see you doing it.
Are you with
Why?
me?
Who are you?
That thing where they do. That thing. That young.
That iron. It good as you take talk am because now only they do am. Now in work, that the special work where the show give am. No, it's not my jurisdiction of duty. My own work I do different. So you wait again. When you see Nedu, you are too high. I thought to make out that thing so he can do that special something to you.
You see upon drum now.
No. What is wrong with you now? Kunle, okay, bye-bye.
That's not toxic trait.
Toxic trait. So now we talk about on top show today. Toxic trait. When would they laugh? Yeah, serious, you know. Forget say we they laugh. We they laugh because it don't happen to us. So if it happen to you, you fit identify and you can align yourself with this kind of movement. But if it don't happen to you, maybe you know what that it happened to. So it's the same thing. You go know people who don't complain or you know people who don't and stop to the beer. He say no, maybe he no. You go say maybe no. That's why in the smell come meet you. You know fit tell and say in the smell. Stop to bearing because it is what's that English? It's hazardous to your health. It's hazardous to your health. But me hey you they say
another one be nose. In fact, this one they common. Nose and ear picking.
How did they pick ear?
You know, some people say you go the hair sack.
Yes, yeah.
Some people they tell you say that they scratch their throat with their ear.
Then they will say sorry, oh.
And they say,
but why did they always say sorry?
their nose.
They will not say
that.
Unconscious.
You see,
but if they get,
you know, even
amala.
amala, you know they don't amala. Put hand inside dragon. Some people pick very disgusting habits. Come out the hand for nose, eh? See the kidney, come flicker, come continue.
Chai.
Not something straight for work.
You don't see people when they do that thing.
Yeah, I know.
Yes,
Yeah,
now.
unconsciously.
Unconsciously, in public.
Which kind? So wait, that as in they don't do am you don't master them or what?
They don't know saying a bad habits again. They talk in front of supervisor or some people can't put hand for nose.
Okay, so this kind thing, this kind behavior, them all these things because we don't talk plenty.
Yes, now.
So they don't ever sack person because of these things.
It's possible. You know, if you go, for instance, now you go meeting where we say maybe like management level, maybe say now meeting where we say different companies did there, different representatives did there. Only your own rep for camera.
Sorry, now Joseph from Warwick, okay. Joseph.
Hello? Hello?
Would they hear you?
You dey hear me one at the corner for studio. Hear your girlfriend.
Who tells you I get boyfriend? I don't know. I'm a single baby. Oh.
You know the good lady, let your one at the corner for studio. And in my play the bond.
Sorry now, it's not quarrel. Don't be annoyed. I do a very bad behavior. I do toxic trait.
Now, Kai, one machine, and that's
Otio.
Abobo, sir.
Okay, I'm Joseph calling from Mori.
Joseph, how worry now?
I'm fine.
Okay, we dey hear you.
Why you talking today?
Toxic behavior, toxic trait.
Worry fine.
Okay, TV too loud.
You don't on your TV too loud.
You
Joe,
loud
Baba,
down.
no be like that now. Yours off it, yours a little bit. Joseph, you don't lost. Osas.
Hello. Good evening.
Oh, how now?
I do well. How your side?
See us here now. We use a manager. How things?
So my Nigeria condition now. Everybody the manage.
My brother, how for
Easy, how far now?
Hey, boss, I got that, Jerry. Good evening.
I greet you. Koyo.
Domo, pa, domo.
Koyo.
Yasin, where you send they do? You don't go to Connection House.
No. Nedu go. No. He get where we send Nedu go one address, So he need to go there and fulfill the work there before he come back. So that's where he go.
I hope not be that Suya George is he good today.
Suya George.
No, be that Suya join because
of the pepper.
No, Nedu no fit go Suya join on Monday. No.
Okay. Gumi.
Yes.
May I contribute to what you talk? You see, sometimes most of us when they complete. We need to give thanks to God. Some people we are born with one or two things when we don't know. Okay. I know of somebody who said they're born with kata since as they don't grow up, they don't marry.
Okay.
Every time kata, you know the trade kata. So that kind of person now, you say mistakenly they do them, maybe but they do them. So you in complete when you say they normal life, you're supposed to give thanks to God. Say, God do well for your body.
My brother.
So sometimes if they feel say maybe people, maybe they deliberately they do it or they do it for fun. So your topic, maybe try to address them well. Yeah? Which I want to tell you.
Tell you, Osas, you don't finish, go? Greet your family.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.